This car transform niche is going absolutely viral on TikTok. This page has 42,000 followers, and their top videos are sitting at 4.1, 6.1, and 4.9 million views. And the best part is they are making thousands of dollars per month on TikTok. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Here's what I made in less than 5 minutes. So to get started, head over to ChatGPT and click Explore GPTs in the left sidebar. Search for Car Transform Generator and choose mine. Hit Start Chat, then click to start the generator. It's going to give you 10 car transform ideas to choose from. You can pick a number, type your own idea, or say more if you want more options. I'm going to go with number 1. Once it's loaded, the GPT will give you a before image prompt, an after image prompt, and a video prompt, all tailored for this niche. So just copy the first image prompt and head over to OpenArt, the link's in the description. In OpenArt, go to Image, then Create Image. Click on Model and choose GPT Image 2. Paste your prompt in the prompt box. Set the output to 9:16 and the quality to medium. Choose how many images you want and hit Generate. Here's how mine came out. The motion blur on the snow, the lighting. That's the kind of frame that stops someone mid-scroll. So just pick your favorite and click Reference on the right side. Then go back to the GPT, copy the second image prompt, and paste it back into OpenArt. Keep your settings the same, choose how many you want, and hit Generate again. And here are my second images. A full mechanical wolf with Audi bodywork and glowing eyes. The detail on these is crazy. So now let's turn them into video. Click on Video in the left sidebar. Scroll up, click on Model, and choose Seedance 2.0. Drag your first image as the start frame and your second image as the end frame. Go back to the GPT and copy the video prompt, then paste it into the prompt box. Make sure the audio toggle is on. For the mode, choose Fast. Set the output to 9:16, 720p, 10 seconds, and hit Generate. Once your clip is ready, the last step is adding the text overlay. Drop the clip into your editing software and add a text layer. Write the name of the car, give it a border so it pops over the footage, and drag it above the car. Duplicate that layer twice. On the second one, type a plus symbol and position it in the middle. On the third, write whatever the car is transforming into and drag it above that element in the frame. That's the format you see on every video in this niche. And it's that simple. Here are some other videos I made using this method. All the links you need are in the description, including my viral faceless formula guide on how I hit $1,000 a month with YouTube in under 2 months. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next viral AI niche. See you in the next one.